Stop what you are doing. If you are an African professional aged 25 or older, the Australian government is about to hand you a package worth over 80,000 Australian dollars. The Australia Awards Africa 2027 intake opened on February 1st, 2026. This is not a partial scholarship. They pay your full tuition. They pay for your flight tickets. They give you $5,000 cash immediately when you land, and they pay you a tax-free salary of $34,500 per year to live on. But here is the catch. The application is long, technical, and requires a specific document called the Reintegration Action Plan. If you mess that up, you get rejected. In this video, we are doing a complete masterclass. I will walk you through every single page of the OASIS portal. We will write the essay together, and I will ensure you submit a winning application. Let's go.
First, are you even allowed to apply? Do not waste your time if you are not on this list. Go to the link on the screen. We are looking at Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, South Africa, Zambia, Zimbabwe, Ethiopia, Mauritius, and more. If your country is here, you are in step 1. Step 2, the priority sectors. You cannot just study anything. If you are from Nigeria, for example, look for sectors like agriculture, health, or governance. If you apply for something random like music theory, you will be rejected immediately.
Here are the 4 hard rules. If you don't meet these, close the video. Rule 1. Age. You must be 25 years or older by February 1st, 2026. No exceptions. Rule 2. Experience. You need 5 years of postgraduate work experience. This means 5 years after you graduated. Internships count if they were paid. Rule 3. Education. You must already have a bachelor's degree. Rule 4. Employment. You must be currently employed. This scholarship is for professionals who want to return and build their country. Before we even open the portal, you need your arsenal. Gather these files now. Passport. Scan the biodata page. Degree certificate. Certified copy. Transcripts. Certified copy showing all your grades. CV or resume. Update it. Focus on leadership and development impact. Work reference letters. You need proof of your 5 years of experience. The big one, referee reports. Do not, I repeat, do not just ask your boss for a generic letter. Australia Awards has a specific template you must use. You need 1 academic referee from your university and 1 professional referee, your current boss. They must answer specific questions about your leadership capability and your ability to implement change. Download this template from the website and send it to them today. Give them time to write a strong recommendation. You cannot just write University of Melbourne on the form. You need the exact course code. We use the CRICOS website. This is the official government database. Let's say you are in agriculture. You type Master of Agricultural Science. Look for courses that are master by coursework usually and are 2 years or less. Do not pick a course that is 3 years. The scholarship covers a maximum of 2 years. Pick 2 preferences. Preference 1, your dream school, e.g. University of Queensland. Preference 2, a strong backup, e.g. University of Adelaide. Write down the CRICOS code. You will need it for the OASIS portal.
This is the most important part of this entire video. 80% of people fail here. The Reintegration Action Plan, RAP. Australia is investing $80,000 in you. They want a return on investment. That return is development impact in your country. We are going to draft this together right now. Question 1. Identify a development challenge in your sector. Don't be vague. Don't say poverty in Nigeria. That is too big. Be specific. Say high rates of post-harvest loss in cassava farming in Benue State due to lack of storage technology. See the difference? Specificity wins. Question 2. What skills will you gain? Link the course directly to the problem. By studying the Master of Food Science at UQ I will learn advanced preservation techniques specifically for root vegetables. Connect the dots for them. Cause, skill, solution. Question 3. Practical tasks upon return. This is where you show you are a realist. List 3 concrete steps. Organize a workshop for 50 local farmers within 3 months of return. Publish a manual on low-cost storage in the local dialect. Pilot a storage facility in one community. These are measurable. The selection panel loves measurable goals. Question 4. Constraints. Be honest. Lack of funding or bureaucracy, but then explain how you will overcome it. I will overcome funding issues by partnering with local NGOs using the networks I built during my 5 years of work experience. This shows you are a problem solver. Now we move to the beast, the OASIS portal. Go to oasis.dfat.gov.au. Click Register. Pro tip: use your personal Gmail. Do not use your work email. If you change jobs next month, you lose access to your application. Fill this accurately. Your name must match your passport exactly. For contact details, put a secondary phone number just in case. Employment history. This is crucial. You need to show 5 years. Enter your current role first, then work backwards. Make sure the dates align. If there is a gap, be prepared to explain it. For position description, use action verbs like managed, led, developed, increased. Now, we upload the files we prepared earlier. Not the file size limit. If your PDF is too big, compress it. Make sure the names are clear. John_Doe_passport.pdf, not scan001.pdf. Check every upload. If a file is corrupted, they won't call you to ask for a new one. They will just reject you. We are at the finish line. Read the declaration. You are promising that you will return to your home country for at least 2 years after the scholarship. If you have no intention of returning, do not check this box. This scholarship is for development. Once you click Submit, that is it. The deadline is April 30th, 2026, but do not wait until April 29th. The server will crash. Submit at least 1 week early. You have the tools. You have the RAP strategy. You have the OASIS walkthrough. There is 80,000 Australian dollars waiting for you. Go and claim it. All the links are in the description. Subscribe for more full masterclasses like this. Good luck.